Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this. And it's just this little box here, but what's inside of it is pretty cool. It's by PLUSINNO, and it is a fishing rod and reel and kit and everything I need all in one little thing. You know, I got a boat, and so I actually bought two of these things, so I did open one already. So this isn't really my first unboxing, but it's my first one on camera, so you'll get to see what it is. I was too excited, so I had to open one, but it comes with this case. So you can see here, so I can carry it and I can stick it in my boat and keep it with me all the time, so I always have it handy. But here, let's open this up and I'll show you what's inside. Ta-da! And so there we go. So there's the rod and reel and string and your fishing line and lures. So let's check out what all the different things are. So this is the fishing rod. So check it out. So it's got this little clip on it here, and this little part comes off, and then it opens up. It gets really big. I mean, I think I got like, I'm guessing that's like 7 feet or so. So I got like a 7 foot long one, and it just folds back up real easy and small. So it's kind of nice that you can do that with it. And then it's got this plastic on it. I mean, I didn't get super expensive stuff. I mean, I'm sure you can spend hundreds of dollars on fishing stuff. I think I spent like, I don't know, $50 or $60 on this one. So, so this is kind of how it is, and then you put the reel on there. But let's see. So this is it's going to go in that little section there. But then we put this down, and I'll open up the reel. So the reel is in here, and it goes like. This, so that's gonna be, yep, so that's it there. And so let me tighten it up a little bit. Okay, so that's the reel. So when you do this, you see when you spin it, it goes up and down like that because it's rolling, getting the string on there evenly as it rolls it up. Cool. I haven't used a fishing rod in years and years and years, so that's a new concept to me. So that's kind of how it works, to pull all the string in. I'm not even sure how to attach it or how to do anything, but it rolls really, really good. And then you can fold it back up again really easily like that and take it back off and put it back in the box. But it comes with some fishing line. So there's some fishing line. It looks like it comes with 120 meters of it. So that's, I mean, for me, I'm just fishing out here and stuff, so it's pretty, I won't be getting too deep. But then it comes with some lures and hooks and stuff like that. So I don't even think I'm gonna take these out of the box, but you can kind of see what they are here. There's like a big fish. So there are two different big fishes, some worm things, and then there's some weights and stuff on the bottom, and not even sure what all that stuff is for. I am not a fisherman, so probably somebody who fishes can explain what all these different things are to me, seeing if I have no earthly idea. But I'm excited to give it a try. I have no idea what I do when I catch a fish, how to get it off of the hook even or anything like that. So it's gonna be quite the learning session. I'm gonna have to go fishing with somebody who actually knows what they're doing first, so they can show me how it works. I'm not looking forward to touching fish. So I don't know what I can do. But you see it kind of comes apart real easy again and goes back into here. So there, and clips back up. So it fits. It's so nice, this little case for it. I really like. Velcro back up again. And this I can put back into the little box. Everything's got a little place. So there, it's all got its little places in there, and I'll put it back up and zip it up. And now I'm ready to go fishing. So, I mean, I guess it's everything I need. I don't know, somebody around here said they use like hot dogs or something like that on the lure, so maybe that would work. I don't know, I'm scared to catch anything, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna put a link to this down in the description, so if you need an inexpensive but portable fishing rod, this would be probably ideal. And I'll update if there's any problems with it or if it breaks on me or anything like that. I'll definitely let you know in the comments or description. And wish me luck. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll hopefully post some videos of me catching fish next. So that'll be interesting. Stay tuned. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.